In this video, I will show you how to open up your Buick Enclave key fob to replace the internal battery at home. This is a very easy process, and you won't need any special tools to get it done. You'll just need a regular flathead screwdriver and one of these CR2032 batteries. If you'd like to get one of those online, I will leave a link down in the description so you can get one of those on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. Now the first step is just to look at your device down on the bottom here where this little hole is for the key ring, and along the seam of the plastic you'll see a very small indentation. You see that right there? That's what we're going to use to open this up. So you just take a smaller sized flathead, or just kind of a normal sized flathead, something that will fit in there, and you're just going to push it in gently and the thing will just open right up. You can see it's already starting to come apart. And once it's in there, you can just twist or pry a little bit, pull it apart with your fingers. And this circuit board might stay stuck in this rubber part. It might come out a little bit like that. Doesn't matter, we actually want it to come out so we can pull this battery out a little bit easier. So right now I'm just going to slide this out with my fingers, dispose of the old battery. And when you take your new CR2032 battery right there, just make sure that it goes positive side up. You can always check, just double check here. Right there, you see that positive sign? That means the positive side should be going up. So we'll slide it in like that. Positive side up. And now we can just take this back piece here and we will just set this in there with the battery facing up until it sits down in there nicely. And then we can just click the back piece of plastic right on top of there. And you can see everything's working and you have a new battery in there and you are done and good to go. I hope that was helpful for you. And if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can always come back to this YouTube channel where we have videos for the devices of pretty much every make or model out there. You can also get all of that information and more directly over at our website, fobbattery.com.